trapping in the rain all day like I don't need an umbrella. Came out the mud with my dog, now I get flying the weather. Lost 2 people in the same day, I've been fighting with the devil. They're like, it's gonna be okay, I'm trying to hold it together. In the rain all day like I don't need an umbrella. Came out the mud with... And we back. We are at school. Say we at school?
Yeah.
It's good. Okay, Jersey, what is that? So she finna go do her evaluation, I think. I think that's what she finna get ready to go do. So we back, we finna get ready to do. Are you ready, Jersey? Oh, the other Candace is ready. Are you ready, Jersey? Look at that. Duck. You finna go play with that? You wanna go play with that? You play with dog every time, mama. Every time. She do the same thing. Play with dog.
It knows.
Oh yeah, the dog knows. It's the nose. His nose. Huh? Huh? Fix yourself. Whatever. You play with dog. What's that? That's mouth. That's dog mouth. Huh? What color is the dog? What color is the dog? What color?
Blue.
Good job.
Okay, thank you.
What's this color?
Brown.
Good job, mama. What's this color? It's a mix.
Look.
Trick color.
Different.
What's this color?
Good.
Good job.
Good.
Yeah, good job. See? Right now we're waiting on the people to come out. As soon as they come out, you know, I'm here, child. I'm gonna let y'all know what we got going on. Look at. Oh, there she go. Come on, go. A pep talk.
Yeah.
There's gonna be no pep talk. So Jersey right now, she getting her evaluation done. She had to leave us. We thought we were going with her. She had to leave us. So we didn't have to fill out paperwork and stuff like that right now. Oh boy. She can't? Oh no. Wait, can you tell point to pictures and
No,
and
sometimes
books
can she
that
follow
you
some directions?
Yes, she
Sometimes.
do.
Does your child answer simple questions? If so, please give an example of the questions your child can answer. We can say, what's your name? She say Jersey.
Sometimes.
Does your child ask simple
why, but I feel
questions?
it.
Jersey don't ask us simple questions. No.
Yes, we be alright.
How many of your child,
Boy.
how much of your child's speech do you understand percentage-wise? 40%? 50%? I understand
No.
half the time, right?
Do you?
How much of your child's speech do you understand? So how much do you other people understand?
Alright, well, that's what we doing right now, man. It's a little boring, man. I'll get y'all back. I'll catch you back in a minute, man.
You mama. Okay.
Come on. Come on.
Lulu, what?
Go. You gotta go up. No, you gotta go up the truck. Go. Climb up, mama. Climb up. Climb. Get it, mama. Pick it up. You gotta get the dog. Pick it up.
Right here. Get it right here, mommy. And then we're gonna go back and fill them. Let's go fill them up. Make them big. Come on. It's gonna make them big.
Yay.
Good puppies. Jersey, this guy. All right, we gotta fill it up. Let's fill
Right here, Jersey.
Right here, you gotta fill them
Want our
up.
puppy to bark and talk like a real dog, or do you want him to stay quiet?
You
Stay quiet.
bark.
Go around your puppy.
Nice. Stay calm.
Thank you so much. Do we like when our dogs are soft and squishy?
You
More
like
when they're
soft and
hard and firm?
Do you like soft and squishy? No, it's this one. You got this one.
Go, Jersey. Whoa, you fill it out, Mama? Look.
You're all done.
All
First things
done.
first, let's make sure our dog can stand, and then you get to give it a big hug, okay? All right, can you give it a big hug?
Give
Give your dog a hug. Give your dog a hug, Mama. Oh, yeah.
Feel good. You want to
Yes.
put that heart inside? Can you give it a big kiss first?
Big kiss.
That heart?
Big
Kiss the heart, Mama. No. Kiss the heart.
You gotta kiss it.
No, you kiss the heart, Mama.
Give it a kiss.
Mwah, good
What is
job.
that? Look, you dropped it. Uh-oh. You dropped it. Slide this in your dog. Oh,
Put it in the dog.
you gotta give your doggy a heart.
You gotta put the heart in the dog. You don't want
What do you
to?
want to name your puppy?
What's his name?
That's a good question.
Pinky? Is that what you said? Jersey, what did you say, Pinky? Wait. Look at your dog, Mama. Come get your dog. Look. Go get your dog.
You're doing awesome. I just gotta tie it off, okay? Yep, we just gotta cut that
You
string.
gotta cut it. Wait a second.
Alrighty, this is gonna be Pinky, huh?
Your dog named Pinky?
Yeah.
Yes. Good job. Give me
Good
five. I can't believe she said.
job. What's wrong?
You wanna pick up?
Jersey, can I see your dog?
Activated starts tomorrow morning.
What's her name?
Graduation fair for her.
What's her name? Pinky?
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. It came
Thank
up
you.
right in
Yeah.
time.
Bye.
Why you keep telling your cousin girl bye?
Bye. Bye.
Stop being like that, Jersey.
Go. Bye.
I think it's the funniest thing. I gotta tell my mama about this. Tell her about the real get up. She be telling her mama stuff I tell her about Jersey. It's funny. If you send me that video so I can send it to 20 and tell her that was right. So, they say first in my house. So, Jersey, Harlem, a little so she can't just take, Jersey can't just take all her stuff. So, Jersey takes her wine and stand at the top of the bed and Harlem was at the bottom. She talks to me. Girl, bye. Girl, bye.
Go, Harmony, go. Look, get the egg, Mama. Harlem. Oh, Lord, she's left it. Come on, Jersey. Look, there go egg right here, Mama. Look, get the egg. Look, Mama, look, come over here. Look, come on.
And she's hollering.
You get it, Mama?
Good job.
Get the other one.
Good
Good
job.
job. Come on.
I got one behind y'all.
Oh, here go one right here. Oh, it's two. It's three. Get that right there. Look, she yellow. Good job, Mama. You get it? Put it in. Put it in, Mama. Come on. Look, right here. Look, it's blue. Oh, you got nothing. Good job. Right here. Look, Mama. Okay.
Oh, Mama, you got good.
Come on, let's go, Mama.
Come on, Mommy. Here go, Mommy. Here go, Mommy.
Good job. Come on. Let's get some more, Mama. Come on. You gotta run, Mama, run. Uh-oh, here goes some over here, Mama. Look. Uh-oh. Look, Mama, look. Here you go.
Go to it. Mommy, that's pretty.
Get that.
Let me get that.
Look, Mama. Okay, good job. Did you get a golden egg? That ain't golden. Harmony. Jersey, come on. Then put him in there with your sister. Oh, yeah, I might be over full, bro. Yeah, I might be over full, bro. Right there. Good job, mama. You got a glittery one.
I got a lot of glittery ones.
Ooh. Who got more, you or Jersey?
I got more than
Oh, Jersey, look at all your eggs.
Mhm.
Look, boo. I'm not that bad.
Jersey has them.
Harlem,
Uh-oh.
did you get eggs?
You giving Harlem one? You so nice.
Harlem, did you get some eggs?
Look. Here, I'm gonna take the money out. Give it to Harlem.
How much is it?
Come on, get the basket.
Ooh. Jersey, you gonna jump, What is that? Girl, go jump. What's wrong? Yeah.
Put it in, put it in.
What? Cut. Woo! Oh, what? Okay. You ran past the rocket, Jersey. Right here, look. Okay.
All done with the rocket?
What's that face?
Yeah, I know. You just rolled your eyes out.
Right.
She can run bounce.
Wow.
Oh, she not a
Oh, wait, should we go beside? Yeah, obviously.
You go down slide.
Oh,
Wait, can I take your shoes off real quick? These are super cute shoes.
I say thank you. She literally made me buy them in the store yesterday.
yes.
Woo.
Lie down. Oh, wait, ramps. Oh, thank you.
You want to get so bad.
Well, I don't blame her. They're super cute shoes.
Yes.
Yeah, I tried to opt out, but too bad.
Yeah.
You're already taken down by
Woo.
baby. Can we come make spaghetti?
All the way up here.
He gonna jump and try to make it. Watch this. No, sir. Nah. She is pedaling.
Yeah, she'll do one or two.
Oh, there you go.
But yeah.
Good job. Go, mama.
Two more. Ready? Set. Go. Go. Yeah, I'm the other one. Go. Oh, you're
Are you going? There you go. Go, mama. Go. You got to push. Good.
That's okay. Go. Go. Go.
Go, mama. Go. Push it. Push it.
Push.
Push it, mama. Good job. Good job.
Oh, keep Ryan. Ready?
Go, Jersey. Hold on then.
Oh, see what I can do. Okay.
Go. Go, Jersey. Go.
Go ahead. Go.
Go. Go, go, go.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. You got to push.
Go. 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 We're getting like one push in.
Right. You got to push 2 times. Go. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. There you go. Oh, he go backwards. Go.
So that's not hard.
Keep pushing. Go. Keep pushing, mama. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yay! You doing so good. You doing so good. Keep pushing, mama. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Ready? Go, go, go.
Keep pushing. Push it, push it. You gotta push. You gotta push, mama. Push, push. It's like,
Go, go. Can I help you? Yeah, keep it. Keep on.
she was pedaling good.
Yeah.
Push it, mama. Push it. Push it, mama. Push, push, push. Push, mama. Push. Yeah. Push, push. Push, Jersey.
You're gonna run into the man.
Push. Yeah, good job. Push, mama. Push. Push, push. Oh. Push, push, push. It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Push. Push. Push it, push it. Good job.
Yay! Where are we going?
Alright, YouTube, we back with another video. We got Denim in the building. He crying again, y'all. Yeah, he crying again. You know what I'm saying? Tried to see if the earring would work in his ear. He started crying. You got something to say to the camera?
You love baby love.
Huh? You got something to say?
Come on, y'all, let's
Huh?
go.
Recording me.
He got his little Stanley Cup, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Jersey got her Stanley Cup. I don't know why she got Stanley Cup,
Come on,
but she thought she should buy her a Stanley Cup. Jersey.
let's go. That's right.
Bye-bye, dog.
Yeah, boy, doggies.
You gotta drive. Say woo. Woo. Jersey, say hi. Look, say hi. Woo. Jersey, you gonna say hi? Drive. Woo. You have fun? No, you can't get off yet. You gotta keep driving. You gotta drive. Woo! Woo! Come help me, mama.